Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Crown Lounge. On today's video, you see some things, right? And you're like, is that a misprint? Right? I've only looked at bitters as dashes, right? So what we're gonna make today is a Trinidad Sour. In this drink, we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of Angostura bitter. Right, these right here are 44.7% alcohol, right? So they got a little punch to them. They're real. This is a real alcoholic thing, right? You don't really look at, well, let me not say we. I don't really look at bitters as the base of a cocktail, right? I always look at it as it enhances a cocktail, right? So today we're going to make, like I said, a Trinidad Sour, which is pretty much that with rye whiskey. So anyway, let's get started, right? Because I'm really curious on this drink. So, and I had to take the little dash stopper thing out because how am I gonna get 1.5 ounces? I'm not gonna keep dash. Anyway, here we go. 1.5 ounces of our Angostura bitters. Put this back how it's supposed to be. Right, then we're going to go just 1/2 ounce of rye whiskey. We're going to use some chicken cock today, just 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go 3/4 ounce of some lemon juice. I almost said lime. Some lemon juice, 3/4 ounce. And last, we're going to go a full ounce of some Orgeat syrup. It's that, almond syrup. It's good stuff. You can use it for like Mai Tais. So 1 full ounce. Give this a little itty bitty stir. Add a little ice. The smell like bitters. But then again, like I said, I never envisioned using Angostura bitters as the base of a cocktail. All right. And there you have it. A Trinidad Sour. All right. Let's see. Let me say, this is a good cocktail. If you're into sours, this is a good cocktail. I see why you would have to buy the big bottle of this, because I've seen like the really big bottles. If you're going to do this, right? Because that only gets you a couple of them. But this is shockingly really good. This is a good cocktail. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and finish that. But in the meantime, while I drink this, you hit that like button, that share button, and that subscribe button. All of them, right? Till next time, guys. Cheers.